Good afternoon all of you. In this video, we will discuss about revision class. Revision classes for FA2 exam. Revision classes already we had given syllabus, 3 lessons and 1 poem. These 3 lessons you have to read very thoroughly. All lessons line to line you have to read properly. Next, coming to notes. Notes, third lesson, little hard. I kept notes in WhatsApp. See what I have kept in the WhatsApp. You follow as it is. Don't write any question extra. Don't write any meaning extra. Whatever I have kept in WhatsApp, you write down those questions and meanings and writing task. That is enough. If you write notes properly, if after completing the notes you have to send through WhatsApp, you will get that 10 marks for completing the notes. FA1 10 marks and FA2 10 marks. You have to finish these two FA's notes very neatly and draw lines, keep hitting properly, complete within before FA2 exam. And in vacations, summer Dasara vacations, I had given worksheet in the column, activity column. I had given complete the worksheet. Worksheet means, see here, page number 22, page number 22 children. See, page number 22, this part you have to finish. Not only this part, page number 20, from page number 22 to page number last page of this lesson. Our last page is, see, page number 42. 22, from 22 to 42 you have to finish. See children, you have key book with you. Don't copy as it is from the key book. You make it short questions in your worksheet in this book. Write down small answers. Small answers. When you come to school, if government will conduct FA2 exam or FA3 exam, you should not write like for 1 mark answer, you should not write 3 or 4 lines answer. You should give 1 word answer or 1 line answer you have to give. That's why don't write full paragraph in the space given. If possible, write down 1 word or 1 sentence. You have to fill first lesson at the same time second lesson also you have to complete these before FA2 exam. You have to complete the full portion which we have covered. See children, it is there is no time to take rest and there is no time to take leisure. You should always busy with books. See, in this lesson, the Little Hearts lesson, here, Little Hearts lesson, third lesson, we have to discuss very closely. We have to observe very closely. We have to listen very deep concentration, utmost concentration, because in this class, FA2 exam, there will be 30 questions, 30 minutes. In the last FA1 exam, it had given 1 hour time, but in this FA2 exam, time duration is 30 minutes. So children, you should concentrate very closely and you should show much attention to listen the class, to listen the revision class. Next, Little Hearts lesson, Point wise, we will discuss point wise. Little Heart, there are three grammar topics in this lesson. You need to observe very closely these grammar topics. These are very important grammar topics mentioned in third lesson, children. Next, present continuous. Continuous tense. You know already there are three tenses in English: past tense, present tense, and future tense. In present tense, four aspects are there. Four aspects in present tense. I am talking about present tense. In present tense, four aspects are there. First one is simple present. Second one is present continuous tense, which is mentioned here on the board. Present continuous tense. Third one is present perfect, and fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Total four. Today we will discuss revision class. We will discuss revision class again. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. See, before going to explain this present continuous tense, see children, degrees of comparison also we have discussed at the time of explaining the lesson. Articles also I have explained. These three topics are very important. Even though you go to further class 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, these are very important. He had mentioned only these three topics. Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, I told already in previous class, there are 12 structures for 12 aspects. 12 structures for 12 aspects. Each aspect has its own structure. Present continuous tense structure. Present. What are the helping verbs we are using? What are the helping verbs we are using in present continuous tense? Helping verbs. See, first, whenever you want to write any sentence, first, talking about declarative sentence or assertive sentence, you need subject. First, subject. Sometimes if it is I, what will come? Am will come. He, she, it, is will come. We, you, they, what will come? Yes, are will come. A subject present, I am talking about present continuous tense. The action which is going on at present. I am teaching, you are listening. These are the actions are going on now. I am teaching, it comes under present continuous tense. I am teaching, you are listening. See, I am explaining present continuous tense now. Present continuous tense, S plus is, am, are, plus V4 form plus object. Sir, what is V4 form? What is V4 form and what is V1 form and what is V3 form? V5 form also there. See children, sir, why we have to use only in present continuous tense is, am, are? Because past tense we have to use was or were. In past continuous tense. In present continuous tense, is, am, are you have to use in present continuous tense, children. Listen carefully. See, these are present continuous tense. You may get doubt that sir, where we have to use am, where we have to use is, where you have to use are. See, after you have to use am. Even it is assertive sentence or declarative sentence, that may be yes or no question or double H question, you have to use this helping verb before I or after I. If at all you want to use question, you have to bring this am front before I. I after am, he, she, it after you have to use is. Am I teaching? If at all you want to ask question, I will explain later. You, we, they, you have to use are. These are present continuous tense. Present continuous tense, I after am, he, she, it after is, you, we, they after you have to use are, children. Listen very carefully. This lesson, more questions will come in exam on this grammar topic. At the same time, remaining grammar topics also, children. See here, I am, he, she, it is, you, we, they after are you have to use. This is statement. I am teaching, he is teaching, she is teaching, it is running, you are listening, we are singing, they are running. These are the present continuous tense. Present continuous, sir, how can we find out that sentence is present continuous tense? There are some clue words. To identify the sentence whether it is past continuous tense or present continuous tense. There are some clue words. Let me write on the board. See, now, look, listen, at present, don't disturb. These are the clue words to identify present continuous tense. These are the clue words. You can, if you find these 5 clue words in the sentence, you can close your eyes and write the answer. That these clue words helps you to identify the sentence which that is in present continuous tense or past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, forget about the past continuous tense. Present continuous tense, I am teaching now. One example I will write on the board. She is dash, in bracket he will give run. He is, see, look, she is dash in the ground. See, as you know the structure, you have to write is. She after, I told already, personal pronouns after she after you have to write is. She is, already he had given is. He, she, it after you have to write is. So is, subject after is after you have to write V4 form. What is the V4 form of running? Run. What is the V4 form of run? Running. You have to write here V4 form. She is running in the ground. She is running in the ground. Don't disturb at present also. Don't disturb. The baby is sleeping. Don't disturb. they are sleeping otherwise. Next, they are working at present. They are working at present. They are working. You can write based on the sentence. You can keep these clue words at the beginning or ending. You can keep that is effective if if you keep first starting of the sentence. If you feel that is effective, you can keep the first or latter. Last you can keep the clue words. That is your wish, depending on the sentence. See, like this will come in exam. Sometimes he won't give this in bracket. He use present continuous helping verb and complete the sentence. He will give an exam. You have to do all these things. Next, see V4 form, V5 forms, up to V5 forms you have to by heart. I told already, at least you must learn 500 verb forms. 500 verb forms, and regular and irregular verb forms you have to by heart, which the verb forms should be you should by heart the verb forms, day-to-day conversations verb forms. So you can speak and you can write any story, and as well as you can speak anything if you by heart 500 words, 500 verb forms in English up to V5 form. Suppose go, this is V1 form. Went is V2 form. Went is V2 form. Gone is V3 form. Going is V4 form. All V4 forms are ing forms. Next, goes is V5 form. Up to these five you have to up to these five. Every verb form: go, went, gone, going, goes. Read, read, reading, reads. Speak, spoke, spoken. Speaking, speaks. Like that you have to by heart up to P5 form. 500 if possible. Every day 5 verb forms you write down in your rough notebook. Every day 5 verb forms. You should not repeat the verb form which you have written already. So you can learn more verb forms if you practice every day 5 verb forms. These are verb forms will help you to speak and to write paragraph, to speak in English. See, spoken form at the same time written form, these verb forms will be useful. I am see, this is clue words. These are the clue words. These are personal pronouns. These are present continuous tense helping verbs. See, in this lesson, Little Hearts, page number 38, children, page number 38. Little Hearts, it was a rainy Sunday. I am concentrating only the grammar points. See, it was a rainy Sunday. It was a rainy Sunday. So it indicates past tense. There were reels everywhere in the village. There was a large puddle across the street, and at this puddle, two girls from class 6th, your class, two girls from class 6th met each other. What is in exam? He might be asked. What is the present form of met? What is the present form of? What is the V1 form of met? What is the V3 form of met? What is the V4 form of met? What is the V5 form of met? He may ask. So children, these whatever identify, at least see first paragraph, there are some certain verb forms. There are 5 verb forms. You take those 5 verb forms and write 5 verb forms, 5 verb forms, 5 V1, V2 up to V5 form. You write down at least 5. Met. One girl was older than the other. One girl was older than the other. See, here that sentence, another grammar topic we can find, that is degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. See, one girl was older than the other, which I told already in previous class. There are, okay, before going to explain degrees of comparison, children, page number 42, he had given some exercises to complete. See, he gave these 3 sentences in your notebook. 3 sentences. It is raining, the girls are playing, I am teaching. I gave this my own, but he had given another one. See, to cover idiom or I have given this, I am teaching. See, it is raining and the girls are playing, I am teaching. These 3 are positive sentence. Positive sentence in the sense, how can you find out, how can you say this is positive? Because there is no negative word in the sentence. There is no negative sentence. It is raining. It is raining. This is positive sentence. Negative sentence, how can you find negative sentence? It is not raining. That is negative sentence. It is not raining. The girls are playing. The girls are not playing. That is not playing is negative sentence. Next, I am teaching. I am not teaching. These are not. If you find not in the sentence, you can say that is negative sentence. Otherwise, that is positive sentence. You can say that is positive sentence. Positive question also sometimes not many times it will come. See, it is raining. The girls are playing. I am teaching. These are positive sentence. If at all you want to write question form, how can you write question? How can you frame question? I told structure, subject plus is, am, are plus V4 plus object. This is positive sentence structure. This is positive sentence structure. Negative sentence structure is different. Question form structure is different. Question form in the sense there are 2 types, yes or no question and WH question. Structure is different. These are different. See children, if at all you want to write question, if at all you want to make question, how can you make question? See, how can you make? I am teaching. Suppose if you want to change third sentence into question, how can you change this sentence into question? I am teaching. I am teaching. Will you ask like that? See, if at all you want to change this positive sentence into question, you have to do some changes. There are some changes in this sentence. See, what are those changes? See, first, whenever you write any sentence after full stop, you have to keep capital letter. Wherever I comes, I means this one, this I. Wherever, whether it is beginning, middle or ending, you have to keep always I capital letter. There is no you should not think that when it comes first we have to keep capital, but as far as I, you have to keep always capital, whether it is first, middle or end, you have to keep capital letter. See, if you want to make question, you should bring this helping verb. What is helping verb in this? I after what helping verb you have to use? Am. First you have to write am if you want to make question. Am. First this am you have to bring first. Am. After you have to write this personal pronoun I. Am I? Next, teaching. Am I teaching? This is question. This is question for this. I am asking myself, am I teaching or not? Am I teaching or not? Am I teaching? You have to keep question mark. You have to keep question mark. Question mark is compulsory. Question mark. See here, present continuous tense making yes or no question is very easy. Making interrogative sentence, it is very easy because there are helping verbs. Using helping verbs, you can frame interrogative sentence. This is interrogative sentence. This is interrogative sentence. Next, can you make this sentence? The girls are playing. Can you make this? Yes, obviously you can make, because what is the helping verb in this? Are. Can you make? Tell me what comes first. See, am or are. Next, are before what is there? Are. Yes, the girls are. The girls are the girls playing? Are the girls playing? This is interrogative sentence for second one. Are the girls playing? No. Yes or no question, you have to say first answer yes or no. If they play, you have to say yes. If they are not playing, you have to say no. That's why we can call that is yes or no question. Are the girls playing? No, they are fighting. They are fighting. They are not playing. Are capital letter. Last question mark you have to keep, children. Next, first one we see, it is raining. It is what is helping verb in this? Yes, is helping verb. Is it raining? Is it raining? Is it raining outside? No, it is not raining. It is not raining. It is not raining. See, is it raining? You have to ask like, it is raining. That is not question. That is not question. You are asking positive sentence. Is it raining? Is it not raining? Is it raining? It is raining. It is raining. You should not ask. Is it raining? Is it not raining? You have to ask. In interrogative sentence, you have to ask such a way. You should not ask in positive way. You should not make positive sentence by your expressions. That sentence will not change. You have to change that sentence into interrogative sentence. It is raining. Are they going? Are they sleeping? Interrogative sentence Make some interrogative sentence, 5 sentence, at least 5 sentence. Don't neglect homework. Whatever teachers are ask you to do, complete in that period, in that day. Whether in that day, after completing that video, open your books and complete the task which is given by the sirs and madams. I told to you lesson. First take my little hearts lesson. One paragraph. Find out verb forms. That verb forms may be V5 form or V4 form. Remaining 4 forms you have to write, children. Five verb forms are enough, and at the same time I told 5 sentence. Homework, children. This is homework. 5 sentence. First positive sentence and question. Positive sentence and question. 5 positive sentence, 5 interrogative sentence. That is enough. Today's homework. Don't skip from the homework. After completing your homework, please send through WhatsApp. I will see that. Next, page number 5. We will discuss next class. We will discuss remaining what we have left today. Discuss for the class, children. Don't neglect your books. Within few days you have to face FA2 exam. The syllabus is more and time is very less. Remaining subjects also you have to read. That's why you have to concentrate every subject, not only my subject. Every subject you have to concentrate, and at the same time, in fact, exams also will be there. And my material work, I have shown you that finish worksheet, page number 22 to 42. 22 to 42, that is first lesson. Every lesson there are exercise after completing the lesson. Second lesson also there are exercises. Third lesson also exercise. You have to complete as early as possible. Notes I kept today. Those who did not complete notes, first, second and third lessons, you have to complete. You have to be very quick, fast, complete your notes. See, children, maybe classes November 2nd onwards, our classes may not be continue. It will continue December 13 or December 13, I think. When you come to school, you have to come to school with your English books without any incomplete. Textbook part you have to complete, and material part also you have to complete. So, children, next class will discuss remaining topics deeply. Complete your English CW and material and homework. Until then, have a nice day. Good day to all.